Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss LiLy English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so great to be here again.
It really is. How are you doing today, Jason?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you. I had a really nice weekend.
Oh, me too. My weekend was wonderful.
That's fantastic. And I think that is exactly our topic today, right?
Yes, exactly. Today, we are going to talk about the weekend.
The weekend, my favorite topic.
Me too. And we will learn some easy English words to talk about what we did on Saturday and Sunday.
That sounds very useful. It's a very common question.
It is. But wait, before we start, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please take a moment to give us a like. It really helps us. And please subscribe to Miss LiLy English so you don't miss our new episodes. And share this with your friends who are learning English. Your support is amazing.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, Jason, let's talk about the weekend. I'm ready. So, Jason, I must ask you, how was your weekend?
It was really nice, thank you. It was a busy weekend.
Busy, huh? Oh, what did you do on Saturday morning?
Well, on Saturday morning, my family and I went to the shopping mall.
The shopping mall. I like the mall.
Me too, it was fun.
Did you buy new clothes or new shoes?
Now, we did not buy anything. We just walked.
Just walking and looking. That is called window shopping.
Window shopping.
Yes, that's what we did. We looked at the shops. That is still fun.
It is, and we had ice cream.
Ice cream. Now that is a good Saturday. What flavor?
Chocolate, of course.
Of course. The best flavor. A perfect choice.
I think so. So we walked, we talked, and we ate ice cream. It was a good morning.
That sounds lovely. What about you, Lily? What did you do on Saturday morning? My Saturday was very different. I did not go to the mall.
Oh, where did you go?
I went to the park.
The park. That sounds wonderful.
It was beautiful. The weather was perfect, sunny and warm.
A perfect day for the park.
Yes, I went with my family and I rode my bicycle.
You have a bicycle? That's great.
I do. It's an old blue bicycle, but I love it.
Old bicycles are sometimes the best.
I agree. And my daughter, Mia, she has a small red bicycle, so we rode our bikes together.
That is so sweet, riding bikes in the park.
Yes, it is good exercise and very fun.
It really is. After you rode your bikes, what did you do?
We sat on the grass. We just relaxed.
That sounds very peaceful.
It was. It's nice to be outside in nature.
So, I was at the busy mall and you were at the quiet park. Very different mornings.
Exactly. What about Saturday night? Did you relax?
Saturday night? No, Saturday night was loud.
Loud? Oh, did you go to a concert?
No, not a concert. We went to a party.
A party! I love parties. That sounds fun.
It was fun, but it was a kid's party.
Oh, a child's birthday party.
Yes, exactly. My nephew's birthday. He is 5 years old now.
5 years old is such a fun age.
It is, but so much energy.
I understand. Were there many children?
So many children. They were running, playing games, shouting, and there were balloons everywhere.
Yes, many, many balloons. And the best part? A very big cake?
A big chocolate cake.
Wow! Chocolate ice cream for me and chocolate cake for you. It was a good weekend for chocolate.
It sounds like a very happy party.
It was very happy, but very noisy. I was tired after the party.
I am sure. My Saturday night was very different.
Oh, what did you do?
My night was very quiet.
Quiet is good too, especially after a loud party.
Yes, my wife and I went to a restaurant for dinner.
Ooh, a nice dinner. That sounds romantic.
It was just nice and peaceful.
What kind of food did you eat?
We had sushi.
Sushi! Wow, I love sushi.
Me too. We went to a small Japanese restaurant. It was delicious.
That sounds perfect. A sushi night.
Yes, it was very relaxing. We just talked and ate wonderful food.
So, your night was loud with cake, and my night was quiet with sushi.
Yes, two very different, but very good Saturday nights.
Exactly. So that was Saturday. What about Sunday, Jason?
Sunday. Sunday was a day of rest.
Oh, good. After the party, you needed to rest.
Yes, I did. My Sunday was very lazy.
Lazy Sundays are the best Sundays.
I agree 100%. So what did you do on your lazy day?
Well, first, I stayed in my pajamas for a very long time.
That is the perfect way to start a Sunday.
Yes, and in the afternoon, we just stayed home.
That's nice. Just relax at home.
Yes, we watched movies with the family.
Oh, movies. I love that. What movie did you watch?
We watched a funny movie, a comedy.
A comedy is perfect for a family afternoon.
It was. We laughed a lot.
Did you eat popcorn? You must have popcorn for a movie.
Of course. We made a big, big bowl of popcorn. Perfect.
And after the children went to bed, my wife and I watched a show.
A show? You mean a TV series?
Yes, a series. We are watching a new one. It's very interesting.
That sounds like a perfect relaxing Sunday.
It was a day of rest.
What about your Sunday, LiLy?
My Sunday was also very peaceful.
Oh, so you also had a peaceful Sunday, Jason?
Yes, very peaceful. In the morning, we went to church.
Ah, a nice Sunday morning routine.
Yes, we like to go every Sunday. It's very calm and reflective.
That's wonderful. A quiet time to think and be thankful.
Thankful, yes, to thank God for our life, for our family, and for the good week ahead.
That is a beautiful thought, Jason.
And it really helps me feel ready for the new week.
Calm. Yes, that's a great feeling.
I feel peace in my heart.
That is the best way to start a new week. So after church, what did you do?
Well, we went home and had a big Sunday lunch with the family.
A Sunday lunch. Delicious, I'm sure.
Yes, it was very tasty. And then in the afternoon, I rested.
Did you watch a movie?
Not in the afternoon. I read a book.
Ah, reading. That is very relaxing.
It is. I love reading. But in the evening, yes, we watched a movie.
See, Sunday is movie day.
Exactly. A morning for church and an afternoon for rest.
Wow, we really had very good weekends, Jason.
We really did, and we used so many easy English words.
Yes, for example, the number one question is always, how was your weekend?
And you can answer, it was great, or it was busy, or it was relaxing.
And we talked about what we did using the past tense. For example, I went to the mall, or I rode my bicycle.
And for Saturday night, I went to a party, and I had sushi.
On Sunday, I watched movies, I went to church, I read a book, and we both rested.
Rest is a very important word for Sunday.
Absolutely. So what was your favorite part of the weekend?
I think my favorite part was riding my bicycle at the park with my family. The fresh air, the sun, and seeing Mia ride happily.
That does sound lovely. For me, I really enjoyed the quiet dinner with sushi. Peaceful, relaxing, and delicious.
Both are great ways to enjoy the weekend, even very different ones.
That's true. Everyone has their own way to enjoy Saturday and Sunday. Some like busy activities, some like relaxing.
And it's nice to balance both sometimes.
Yes, and a mix of laughter, chocolate, exercise, and relaxation makes a perfect weekend.
Speaking of laughter, that comedy we watched was hilarious. I laughed so much.
Me too! And popcorn makes everything better. Don't forget the popcorn.
Absolutely. A big bowl of popcorn is essential.
So, for our listeners, remember whether it's going out, staying home, enjoying food, or relaxing, all of this is great for learning English. You can talk about your own weekend, practice past tense, and use simple words naturally.
Exactly. And try to describe the details. For example, I walked. I ate ice cream. I relaxed on the grass. Details make your English richer.
And don't be afraid to use new words. Even words like peaceful, calm, loud, busy, or lazy are very useful in daily conversations.
That's right. And now we have a question for all our listeners.
Yes, we want you to practice. In the comments below, please tell us, how was your weekend?
Did you go to the park, the mall, or stay at home? Did you eat something special? Did you watch a movie or read a book or go out with friends?
We love, love, love reading your answers in English. It's our favorite part of the show.
And it really helps you practice writing and thinking in English.
Yes, so thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Thank you. It was a pleasure, Lily.
The pleasure was all mine, Jason, and thank you to everyone for joining us today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share Ms. Lily English with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, please do. And keep practicing your weekend conversations in English. It's fun and useful.
Until next time, have a wonderful week ahead, and don't forget to enjoy your weekend when it comes.
That's right. Bye for now, everyone.